Asibingelele amaciko, sibingelela abahlonishwa bonke inceku zikaNkulunkulu, imlomo kaSomandla, abaholi abasuke endaweni ezihlukeneyo, abasidlalelayo, abaphathi bohlelo, abahleli bomcimbi, bonke abantu abakhona endlini sanibingelela egameni likaJesu. Sanibonani. Mase khulunywa kanje akukuningi engingakusho, ngicela ukufunda nje le verse 2 minutes ngihlale phansi. Luke chapter 15 verse number 17. When he finally came to himself, he said, how many of my father's hired servants have food to spare, and here I am starving of hunger? Indaba ejwayelekile kakhulu le indaba yendodana yolahleko, kuthiwa yathi kuyise, angisana ukulinda umuntu omdala uzudlula emhlabeni, nginelukuluku lokufuna isabelo sefa esiqondene nami. Kuthiwa wathatha izinto zikababa. Umehluko phakathi kwendodana endala nencane, endala ya prioritize ubaba, encane ya prioritize izinto zikababa. Manje izinto zikababa ziyaphela kodwa ubaba kapheli. Kuthiwa wayithatha izinto zikababa waya ezweni elikude, a country far away from the guide of the father, a country far away from the laws of the father, a country far away from imithetho kababa, izwe elingekho elikude namehlo kababa, izwe elikude namandla okuvikelwa ubaba, izwe lokuzilawula. Kuthiwa wathi umese lapho kulelo zwe wayichitha yonke into ayithole kubaba. Kuthiwa waze walamba le ndane lokhu ihlezi nobaba. Kuthiwa kwathi kuphele konke yayisihalela ukudla okudliwa izingulube. Kuthiwa nazi ingulube zayincintsha. Kuthiwa ke yayise, kuthiwa when he finally came, ila ngizokhona bese ngiyathandaza, when he finally came to himself, kusho ukuthi lo bhuti akaqalanga walahleka ekhaya, uqale walahleka kuye before walahleka ekhaya. Many people are suffering today because of poverty of self-identity. People are not themselves, they are away from who they are. Baphila impilo yama opinions abanye abantu, impilo yama suggestions abanye abantu. They try so hard to fit in, to feel relevant. They try to fit in places they do not belong because they are lost from themselves. Baphila ngama ideas, opinions abanye abantu ngoba balahleke kubo. Frustration and misery is a product of the lost of self. Maunge wena kuwe kuphila abanye abantu, kuphila ingakho kunabantu abasafarisha nakuma relationship angabadingi ngoba bacabanga ukuthi bayibo uma bekashe izithunzini zabantu abathile ngoba belahleke oqobeni labo. They are lost of self. Mawulahleke kuwe ayikho into engakwanelisa, ugodola wembethe ulamba udlile ngoba ulahleke kuwe. Ayikho into enelisa umuntu ongekho kuye. When he finally came to himself, all these worries bantwana basekhaya okukhalwa ngako nje basihlangene la, ama-traumas, izitha ey'ntshontsha ubuwena kuwe. Mawulahleke kuwe ugcina ucabanga ukuthi uwe ufuna ukunconywa abanye abantu ukuze ufuna i-validation. You are empty of self. Kune-void, ne-emptiness in the inside of you. Ungajola nabantu abawu-17 still you will feel short because ayikho into ezokwenelisa ma ungekho kuwe. You can drive cars and have houses, nothing will fulfill you when you are lost of self. Oh, fanele ubuye kuwe because let me tell you, let me tell you what is worship. Do you know what is worship? Worship is not a song, worship is not prayer, worship is not going to church. What is worship? Worship that's worship. Can I rephrase my statement? It was a miscall when I say what is worship. Izihlahla ziyamdumisa kodwa ziye esontweni, zila ezadalela ukuthi zibe khona, zenza lento ey'dalela ukuthi ziyenze. When we speak about worship, we are speaking about people when they function within the parameters of their purpose. Udumo lomuntu owenza le mic ulithola uma le mic yenza into ayenzela ukuthi wenze. Udumo lomuntu owenza le stage usithola uma le stage sifunctiona ngepurpose yawo. Udumo likaNkulunkulu ngawe ulithola mawenza lento oyidalela ukuthi yenze. Who you are, why you were born, why must you die, what happened after you go, what need to happen for you to feel happy. Yini okumele yenzeke ukuze uzizwe uwena. Thank you.